There are many headlamp products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best headlamps from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Headlamp Rechargeable 2 PCS. Rating 4.4. With a maximum brightness of 1200 lumens and a powerful 1500 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, this headlamp can easily light up an entire tent and road. Plus, the battery indicator will help you keep track of usage, and it can last for 4 to 10 hours when fully charged. These headlamp camping essentials have added a long press function and motion sensor mode, making it easier to turn the on and off the light without cycling through all modes. The headlamp is ultra lightweight at only 2.08 ounces, and the lamp head can be rotated 60 degrees and tightly fixed to avoid shaking and sliding when running. The comfortable elastic headband can easily adjust to fit your head size, making it perfect for adults and kids. Number 4. LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight. Rating 4.4. The headlamp has added a long press function. Just hold the key mode button for 3 seconds to turn off from any lighting mode. No need to cycle through all modes. It also added motion sensor mode. You can easily turn the lights on or OFF by waving your hand, which is more convenient and avoids soiling the headlamp when your hands are dirty. The Headlamp Flashlight Camping Essentials uses class-leading LED chips that have the maximum brightness of 1200 lumens, quickly light up an entire tent and the road. It has an awesome 1500 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, which can be able to charge and turn on the lights at the same time. No need to wait for a full charge or replace the battery. And the battery indicator will help you master battery usage. Lasts for 4 to 10 hours when fully charged. Number 3. Rechargeable Headlamp. Rating 4.4. Headlights for the head built a powerful LED chip, providing up to 990,000 lumens brightest light. They illuminate distances of up to 4,900 feet, 1,500 meters, with 9 lighting modes to provide the perfect brightness for any situation. The user-friendly Type-C charging port and USB output design not only allow you to power the high-powered torch using various devices, but also enable you to use the torch as an emergency power source. With its long-lasting battery, this running headlamp can run for up to 10 hours at high brightness and even 24 hours or more at low brightness. Suitable for your long-term outdoor adventures, such as fishing, mountaineering, hiking, camping, etc. Number 2. Danforce Headlamp. Rating 4.5. Danforce Headlamp is a high-quality LED headlamp. IPX45 water, dust, and damage resistance. Bright headlamp, high 1080 lumens produces 4 light modes: high, low, medium, strobe. Red light headlamp and adjustable 90-degree head flashlight makes it ideal for any tactical use. Easily change focus lights for searching the outdoors when camping. Zoomable focus providing maximum lightning precision for work. Functions perfectly as a hard hat light. Tactical headlamp with red lights for fishing, hunting, and any other heavy duty. This headlamp isn't just tough, it's also designed for maximum comfort. Enjoy temperature control thanks to the sweat-resistant headband. Its adjustable sizing makes it a custom-made headlight for your head. Number 1. Energizer LED Headlamp. Rating 4.7. 2 high-performance headlamps included. Includes 6 AAA Energizer Max batteries, so you have the power you need right out of the box. Features a durable construction that withstands 1-meter drop test, a shatterproof lens, and a water-resistant IPX4 rated body, making this headlight the perfect rugged companion both indoors and outdoors. Red, high-low, spot-high, spot-low, wide-high, and wide-low. Convenient smart dimming technology controls light intensity. With versatile modes, you'll have optimal lighting for just about any situation. Long-lasting and effective with up to 35 hours of LED light in low mode. so you have the reliable power and light you need. The perfect backup light in case of power outages. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.